All right, so question C is to find theta. All right, we are to find theta. All right, so what will be our theta? So this is theta, right? So the first thing I would want to do is to consider this entire triangle. All right, so if I should draw this entire triangle, it will be like this. All right, so here is our right angle, and here let's just represent this as what? As x. All right, this entire angle as what? As x. All right, and you should note that in this entire angle of x, you have theta and you have 32. This is y, this is x, and this is z. So from the previous video, we have already calculated our xz from here to be what? 7.5. All right, so this is 7.5 centimeters, and this is what? This is 6 centimeters. All right, okay, so the side facing this acute angle is the opposite. All right, the side facing this acute angle is the opposite. All right, while the side where this acute angle and this right angle lies is the what? Is the adjacent. So what's the relationship between opposite and adjacent? So the relationship between opposite and adjacent is tan theta. All right, so I have tan, since my theta is x, what I'm looking for here is x. I have tan x is equal to what? Opposite over what? Over adjacent. All right, so my tan x will be equal to, my opposite is what? 7.5 centimeters. 7.5 over the adjacent is what? Is 6 centimeters. So 7.5 divided by 6, 7.5 divided by 6 will be equal to 1.25. So my tan x is equal to what? 1.25. All right, so since I have tan x to be equal to 1.25, I have tan x to be equal to 1.25. So let me write it out here. Tan x is equal to what? 1.25. So to look for my x will now be equal to the tan inverse of 1.25. All right, so what is the tan inverse of 1.25? I'm going to bring out my calculator. I'll press shift, press what? Tan, and then put in the value 1.25. This is the tan inverse of 1.25, and that will be equal to 51.34. So my x is equal to what? 51.34 degrees. All right, so this entire angle is what? Is 51.34 degrees. And remember that what I'm looking for is theta. All right, so if everything here is equal to 51.34, my theta will be equal to 51.34 minus 32. So if everything here is equal to 51.34, to look for my theta, it will be equal to 51.34, which is everything here, minus what? Minus 32. So everything summed up together is what? 51.34. All right, so to look for my theta, I will have to remove this 32 from this 51.34, and that will give me theta. And that is what I've done here. Theta is equal to 51.34 minus 32, and that will be equal to, so 51.34 minus 32 is equal to, that is equal to 19.34. So 19.34 degrees. So my theta is 19.34 degrees. That is my answer. All right.